Now that we have seen how retail has evolved from small family stores to the large retail global brands and the powerful e-commerce giant, it is a time to look at how customer shopping behavior has evolved across different channels over the period of time. This change is what we call the evolution of the modern retailing. Let's walk through the whole process step by step. Single channel, multi-channel, omni-channel, and the unified channel. Talking about the single channel, in the early days, for almost a century, retail was mostly a single channel. You main customer interacted with just one channel, usually a physical store. That's it, full stop. You went to a shop, bought what you needed and came back. Simple and straightforward. Retailer focused on optimizing their physical presence, the location, layout, inventory, how's the look and feel inside the store was the primary focus, right? Good example could be, think about a local neighborhood stores, shopping, department store, supermarket like Tesco, Bata, all operated that way at that point of time. There was no website, no social media, no mobile application, only face-to-face transaction. Then we saw multi-channel coming into the picture, which is like a e-commerce boom around 20 years back. Like this was the time when retailer started offering multiple channels to the customer. A physical store, a website, or maybe even a mobile catalog or a call center. But the key is each channel operated individually. No integration, no connection between those channels, right? So you could buy a shirt from Walmart website or walk into the Walmart store, but your experience across these two channels were not really integrated. And that's what it is called multi-channel retailing. The revenue of the sales was enhanced or increased, but those are working fragmented. After that, we saw omni-channel or cross-channel integration in the last 10 years, and that's where I chimed in as an omni-channel retail consultant. About a decade ago, things began to change again. Retailers realized that customer did not think of channels anymore. They wanted a seamless shopping experience, which we call the omni-channel shopping experience. In the omni-channel retail, your experience moves smoothly across the channel. You might search a product online, then pick up in the store, or order online or return to the store which is nearby to you. Now, retailer started connecting their store, websites, application, and the social media experiences into one unified view for the customer. Now, good example is you can search a MacBook online, book an appointment at the Apple store, pick it up in the person and continue getting service via the application. Nike is also came into the picture as an omni-channel retailer. So you can browse the shoes on the application, customize your product, pick it up in the store and interact on those social media to start giving or to give feedback, and they will help you to get your problem solved. Now, coming down to the unified retail commerce, which is now. Today, retail is moving into an even more advanced phase, which is unified retail commerce. Here, everything is fully integrated. If you are not integrated, which means that you are still a traditional retailer and you are on the verge of extinction, right? It is in this time, it is not about channel anymore. It is about one continuous relationship with the customers across physical store, website, mobile application, social media, messaging platform, IoT devices, virtual assistant, even AR, VR experiences, all are pretty much very, very integrated. It's one ecosystem. It's not a central, it's not a system. It is an ecosystem that is continuously working as a seamless systems. Good example is Amazon. So they know your past purchases, They recommend based on your browsing patterns, let you order with one click, track deliveries on the mobile, and offer you personalized promotions. Right? All are tied into single channel. They are coming up more inclusive and advanced stores like Amazon Go, which again tightly linked to the online experience. Right? Many examples. So this was a time when we moved from single channel to unified, and as a consultant, this is the time which I recall my first clients was Dixon's Carphone in UK, which was actually more of building the omnichannel experience for them, which is called the Carphone warehouse now. So as you can see that retail has evolved from the being store centric to the customer centric. Customers do not think about online or offline anymore. They simply want what they want, anywhere, anytime, and with complete convenience. And retailers who understand this shift and build the unified, personalized experiences will dominate the future of retail. In the next section, we will deep dive into the emerging trends that are shaping the future even further, like hyper personalization, sustainability, content commerce, or the rise of the experimental retailing. So let's keep going, and I'm sure that the future of retail is exciting, and I'm gonna make sure that you go through that phase right now via this training. Thanks.